trul du tel bodo susrai bedur maraklai maru bugul belau ilung e biraklai mar masil belau President Baules marugul senators, Speaker Ganay marugul delegates, governors, leitors, marbek other belau. Ngara ablur ang ayangan mor hotcharigi ma ngara ikler ablur belau. Diregal to bas susuri den mora justices, Chief Justice ngira igala marugul justices, cabinet ngartelo bangyed. Minister Matul, Minister Victor, Minister Obiang, my special advisor Chengins, pero ng Chief of Staff. Ida malsa dong tel emrenga sula media la bungyed, malungil tuta la korga Mr. Clay, Mr. Yama ma diregal Mr. Soladao. So nadinungil to kora di update rigid. Ako sila ako tel kora ngara rende rado kasi katigil kira yosang ang. Well, Jennifer, ako na kasi kada damla mesar other all bill finally. We have to be thankful as damla pass ra budget. Hindi sila pass ra budget ten bagi den ukira dalo mesri. Diri abon mereka ureret. A process agot sera July 15. O semlo iche. E godulo July 8. Kadamla sandra budget ten mo. Finally. Elal December 3. I'm not sure the receiver finally that they passed it. The gidam tayo na segal budget tawai say. Ngariak lagaro sura between both houses. Madiri ka ngariak look present and mergi then muriak lagaro sura well. Mang to ang sila budget till gida not necessarily we agree with. The crowd to tell us say Magrada kat makliya yosanga malseel marael mar other belal si los peri egid dongat moklayel bebira gina dal adadura alsen there's one item within the budget el gumra lo say we cannot move forward on so we will tell ala say gina refer a budget el bagal el mor ol bira galulaw dimla tutak kolora president senate ma speaker informer till was a everything else as the lower giren diesel one el de calce del put maclia if we pass it as is in matamal lower asel el section masada grant sel proposal asel tiang awal da se every grant mo approving all bira galulaw yeder mo explain sa grant mo ana tetelen ago tru legi da apply aiga nges or other outside el mergir el tira di sedro asetto con la mesquida ndia e se la mesquida ngira dro tau for example togar other ngar hospital el alsils ngar federal grant el urior togar other ngar education el under a federal grant togar ngar kagaro sel agency under a federal grant e nga de kadil tema la budget tel me it's sel vol approve sel grant in May mang all the procedure for the last 40 years are mal simple. Ngari simple language, lo say, a grant are approved as the authorized and appropriated. Igidam na sa ngari process rigid, ngari quarterly report that shows the grants, ngari audit report that shows the grants. Mang kada only understanding or other obligations lo say, it's not about avoiding transparency. Transparency ngari because they're in the audit reports and they're in their financial quarterly reports already. We don't need to create other abebira ngar alsel tial budget bill el mowal luulang omakyo dar range sumalo binguriol girel matmok lira other belo ligidam dangi tialag etriga girel di session all the time the approval grant it has to go through both houses. Whether by law or by resolution, it's still just think about the process. Di want budget billing, bring it up passing. So, for example, may grant in Memrura school, we could wait for them for 1 year in Memrura school. We cannot wait. Rura again magtmak at suma issue umitel because a grant process kadamlu sa moringel adal lolita gesori ang yam skida grant mo mutmukle. Maria grant tell me, I say, you have to spend it within 90 days. If you don't spend it, we lose it. Kita dito ang ira process, el teal el mergit ra adar belaw, el delus ni. Mang godolngit ra olbira golulaw, kasi we can give you the reporting you need, but sige the process and request ringi, sige da tri blopting ele da kalse adligang ma mo refer a bill back and mo restore said original language and for the last 4 years ang sila iga rogul budget bill. Okay? Saya mo unti dan mortir mo. Did just as an update, kita urdu clear budget mo olbira golulaw. The request budget 152 million. The sender version or till mail mla authorized 156 million, appropriate 153 million. Of course, nga 15 days the passer pertialla di wayol gulukoy. Akmala umralo ase kidam denge roguy ase kamla ay serada rablu lo ase alchum de budget trigid by next Friday. Itrigid adal mirror next Friday. Awalo urol di free. Di 72 hours abul udu dari asal 80 hours asker team total di free mong sige dati kalso dal morning ya udu dura speaker ma presenter senator era tuta to ase kamal di sender referral may yendi klu wagi urol giren so hopefully say dal mare dal gayet sa the differences sergid and maybe di klu I hope kaltmok marang rol mu dami irtir server mo kala session acting al sa seguida koron tider ne se adar bela dar yel subaran dir ngiril maktor dir wa se gadorol bring el kut maklim maldim le jesus agi start analyze review get ready then de kalso mama adra blo login so it was less than an hour ago we received an official transmittal olbira kalulan mail gira budget and we'll give them a response this afternoon. Abang within malas mo as well. Only tilo as low session raktu either to accept or to reject. But at least we need to have a process. So siguro the update kita tokora budget. We have to be thankful Jennifer say mlapas. But it's not that. And we also have to be reminded say Dolito ase nakatidiripi a process ra budget am lagi rin momre kala September di makaliya digam sa but anyway this lesson learned and let's work together next year to improve our process. Diri also otherwise was angel ambassador Shaban el Merablur beda ambassador Hiro Yuki Orikasa amomrael na omrek said temen nga blur belaw and so other muterteal on the radio and really take this opportunity to say farewell to Ambassador Orikasa. He will be leaving us, I believe, December 11. And thank him. In Palawan we say sulang, but in Japanese we say tomo arigato gozaimasu. Really for his long-standing partnership. Ambassador Orikasa is, I think, the hardest working ambassador. Always busy, always going around trying to talk to the people, trying to understand the issues, and trying to solve problems. And I think what we've seen in the last 3.5 years in Lobangyan, so many things happen. One, we just saw the completion of the transmission lines, which initially there wasn't enough money to complete. So Ambassador went back to Japan and said, give them more money, let's finish it. We know Ambassador Orikasa, same thing with the Minatobasi Bridge. When they first proposed it, there were certain culverts that weren't going to be done. He went back, asked them, please, let's make sure it's inclusive of those other culverts. He also has been instrumental in getting schools upgraded. So I think we started with Ngartpao was the first that was upgraded and air conditioned. But we have Miyun's cafeteria that's been finished. We have Angar that's under construction. So Japan has been working hard in also upgrading our educational system, and we are grateful. We also know, Lwasin, there's a lot of projects that are pending and in process. One of them is the new OTEC facility in Malgayo. We already have the experimental farm. Hopefully by next year, we will have the actual experimental installation of the pipe going down to the deep to collect the water. And we're excited about that because of the potential that OTEC brings to not only providing power, also water, agriculture, and aquaculture. So a big project for the state of Mulgayog, and we're grateful to the state of Mulgayog for partnering with JICA and of course, national government to see this become a reality. And we are also have seen that during Ambassador Orikasa's time, I think our relations with Japan have only been enhanced. I mean, I've, of course, been to see the ambassador, not ambassador, emperor twice. We've had numerous summits with the prime ministers. From Prime Minister Kishida, I think there was 5. We had 2 with Iwaya. And of course, we're looking forward to continuing that with the new Prime Minister Sanae. Takaichi, Prime Minister Takaichi. So we really want to thank Ambassador Orikasa for his vision, and I think his commitment and his dedication to really further bring our countries closer together. And I think the highlight, Mr. Klaya said, direct flights from Narita to Palau. That is truly the bridge in the sky. So we have the Japan-Palau Friendship Bridge, and that's now the Japan-Palau Friendship Flight. And the good news is that on average, since it started, it's had over 100 passengers. So we're excited about that because I think United, that's really a team effort. United's dedication to having 2 flights a week, all our partners, PIAC, PPR, and Donkey, including the partners of PIAC in Japan, the Palau International, the JATCO and the other companies, and also the Japan Embassy having a dedicated JICA person that's helping with tourism promotion. So while I was in Japan launching the flights, there was numerous interviews that they arranged that we could engage and try to further enhance our tourism product in Palau. So, we should be very thankful because in a lot of places, example, our neighbors to the north, tourism is declining and we have positive growth. So we really need to be thankful. And so on behalf of the people of Palau, Ambassador Orikasa, thank you. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Really for your tenure and you have been the bridge to bring Palau and Japan closer together. So we wish you the best on your continued journeys, and we hope to see you back in Palau many times more in the future. So, Viragal Southern Keltel, Rukumsada Igel, Leptokal ribbon cutting last week that we had the opportunity to attend. And we want to take this opportunity, Merenga Sulela, Her Excellency Ambassador Jessica Lee, and the Embassy of the Republic of China, Taiwan. We know that sometimes the ribbon cut, so we need to get caught up. But there was 15 project last week. Water line, dengue, and I think the most exciting improvements in the school. One of them I gave school ambience, and the last thing to be finished was the road in Mora campus. The school Ramyun now has a new gym, a new cafeteria. La replace el ado el agadi ngarasment el moram de la school. So it's been transformational. It's like a new school. It is truly a new school. Probably they have the best facilities and they kadil say kadito dam da tuang letia uranda. So silo yakura am de la school ngara swimming. El sorel muse at mo muse mo nga school am yun sa mal. They tell silti malam yadala mo. But you know, but it didn't just stop there. I gimlora skura heris, maskura apply school. Lirega legal, ayel betokol. Ako for example ra amin sarang aramo ko totang al mura classroom leng man ploigel delul. Namodiak. Same thing ra heris. Namodiak ay delul ma ahogori in mura classroom ma pala high school. And you know, we want to, you know, important sel rungula da se a school agir el gotung il facilitir al la community, and I think we're getting there, special advisor. And of course we still have more school projects. Ida Elementary is going to get a new school. Hopefully that will be going out to bid very soon. And then of course in SR the Spodal school is a project that's in progress. And I believe, is it all schools in Palau now all have air conditioning? Almost.
All classrooms.
Yeah. So we're almost 100% school air conditioning. So school, the environment for learning aman na improve. Of course, the budget the mutal lotra clear almost the bakal mara 72 arm 10% increase in regular sense the minus ni say the lase ela sel the passer sign tel lara hopefully klug mo klon regular sense lo ase mendegal dil classroom adong mokla de siange maududu mangilas ele you also deserve the best. And kadong mara say it shouldn't stop there kada continue lo rol girel it's a team effort mendegal dil building magal marsense mat part of the equation. Adi mo la madere lang our parents agir mamru lang alir. Tigada kal ngalala republic tangaligya mo kadok mamru lagi lang alir talaga. But you know kada malimre nga sulala government ma other ablura Republic of China and Taiwan raigel alnges wertin mera ablur velo. Kida Abay yung terte ala. Abay panaulan mo kumogera gere mo en purega temestigal minister. Mo dekal sal ko mangal dongo do.
President Mariklat, Silman me gora question na kami kirel tayo del aire mara budget ta tam na smoothie. Como mention regal el projects el blame ribbon cutting at tan regal el week 2 week last 2 weeks. Maklo luro ramarul maybe this question amora minister obi angal tela total value regal del projects el blom blam blada katmok regal del ne rael ma kanya ko ra amount taringya no.
Well, sulang hele hindi. Sabi ang murgal was in millions and hindi ako pa exact. I'll figure sabi ang sharing it was sabi ang sharing it. I can say it was in millions.
I can stimulus grant 2024 alo bang ngania SL I can continue 2023.
Yeah, malonita sa next time lang regal webon karing bolsi la medial dira lo amal visit. Le malngaria project sign ngaria more information will give our other CIP sir kim ngaria el basho but malungi lagarim some of them were mura 2021 and they need to be completed so we're glad to complete them. Some of them were 2024, some of them were 2022. One of the things that we're trying to work hard with all the contractors, just for example, I like the prison. It's behind schedule. Contractor is not. So that's one of the things that the CIP is really working with all the contractors that get up to date regal project. And they've been dragging. So there will be projects that we're cutting in 2021. And there's still some that are pending. So, for example, we've never had a ribbon cutting at a jail, and that's been going on for a very long time. So, so the sharing sel right I'm league, even though the ribbon cutting I get last tool phase, the kita may sa seral sel bodo tu tang ramel telat mom tengan ma ngara abalul me basing on more say the ribbon cutting until the nam it and that involved, that's why in the report it says 25,000 feet of road. Di sel mong ilais ay maligire lang ablu ramong ami mal di the harassment all the way mura state building masku. And we're looking forward to sell happen and mura ay yel restra ablu ra ay malig including Amador ma dire ambiang Maelewi. And then they get the block state and they get island, island, and that's ESR. Mangat pang. Makmal arte asya. Mal noted the ngari uron marari rela, but we need to finish them. They need to be connected. Ma bluro oigul mangasang. Wal last drill the major connections and Monatura Zablu, and then of course the restaurant. So a goal is Minister, a year 2028. That's the goal. So next year we had a lot to do with the mini games. This year ribbon cut Guam priority mini games emil oy tagal para el mga pat kailangan ko sa focus aral lang mini games. Well, there's PIF next year, mga iyan mo bibilang PIF, but hopefully El Salvador already to a facility.
Hindi ako gusto lang Mr. President NCSL may follow up pa rin niya shell update to kung kung target na December so we want to update on that kung na-mention na siya media should be present regal ribbon cutting ask ka obiang la siya next time may notice may invitation. It's nice to see President Facebook page mal updated so we can just get information from there. Okay, menti say kita follow up rin niya di say kita luwasi mang ngaraw o singil kita la completion at talbi la kalbuso which is kapag may say kita continuing incidents na abli la kalbuso due to overcrowding.
No, so one of the major things that magil sel dengin mo connect travel kalbus. And so we got the grant approved for Luram Regal, a PUC giran mong mokring. So that probably will be our last thing to do. The building is almost there. It's almost finished. So yeah. So we should be there sometime early next year. Mm-hmm. I don't think December 31st. Let's not say December 31st.
Okay. Atitara question ka maybe more Minister Victor kuradir kamlat dali kap torira Brazil may ngara kora understanding kita sing yal next cup ada California Australia which is supposed to be a Pacific Cup ngara kora adules el omules el was positive el seb el me towes al sila Palau pamesra Wayablura Solomon Island yung namoring project tira loss and damage is this something seb edalo mesengin ko kira next year maybe the program sa kita ada Palau al ubeng yeah can you give me
Tulara manuel question ele kaptori gora malmle titukal kap almost yung modega agreement ada malmle degal happy with the outcome negotiations malmle meringil but at the end and sab edel lo mesalo say there were some progress particularly seldasen tripling ra climate finance siya malulum to niya European Union but in the end Kadamari nga sulir no sub il gora kongil no ya sige the language tripling of adaptation finance. Diregal taras udalo mesringa kwaseng ngarinya mlara sideline no meselo setial process will fail. Kada meselo sa sel ngarinya attack on the science of climate change, ma-attack on multilateralism. So siya ble the trial gora kwase we need to keep that protected. Let's say even though the kwasetial UNFCCC process is not a perfect process, it's the only process a small island developing states. Ang sabi edel mong masada vulnerability rigid manits rigid. Sel walakseng lamodya ka avenue rigid masada rigid. So at all cost we were trying to protect the process. Madangel wasing Cup ada kadil endra Cup 30. Ngaria Cup 31, Cup 32, Cup 33, Cup 34. Malmol material process. So Cup 31 na while ang dakal moringira Australia moringira Turkey. Australia may maintain some level of influence within the process. Australia mo hold themselves as president of negotiation. Australia ma Pacific continued influence lo sa atsendang mawangara. Mo ongara arsel drafting sel final text Cup 31. So while ang dakal mera Pacific tel meeting, hindi nga niya influence Pacific ma Australia alsel to ni sel daseng pre-cup mera Pacific. Hopefully sabi alawelal mo o mesalo sing sabi edel hostra pre-cup balur belaw. Tarigel gora lilar alsel agreement takwasing self pre-cup mo focus kasi kada mo ulsis ba daw the more self Pacific resilience facility. Of course ang angit yal loss and damage financing facility settle will complicate the process for us to access. And although the tagi the Pacific resilience facility mo biyo tagi the access lang it's in our own terms our other Pacific. Having said that, we have access to more climate finance, mga CCF, mga loss and damage. Sel challenge sel kita face rin other vela kasi gagare capacity rin kita. Climate change office rin kita mal gagare. Ulmatara adolingit rin olvila kasi gire del enhance igal ministries. Gire del lo ngariak cloud dirar ad mo malara more capable other me. And that's the only way sa bedel access of those. Hopefully maral sa bedel mo bitisel language nga alseltial proposed FY26 el budget ko sa rogul grant sa bol approve olvira kalulaw. Le semo this incentive for us to look for money. Len dakal sa bedel mo mawdo del may mingir olvira kalulal approve. Lalakal approve yung matamal isedel na mo apply raw do del medya kad implement. So there's a long-term impact maklol risk sige del language nga budget. Lang dakal sa edel mga grant del me makadam lakwaseng gila implement klong yas. Mingir olbi lakwaseng amos approve ngir oy nga. Mong bebir language wala intent ringal awngil hindi nga impact ringil mora ability rigid el continue secure though the lolongera blur belara tora climate adaptation and all time ngaringa timra sprep ma consultant ngar belal temler sera Monday murura final assessment el murur sel concept el mora adaptation fund sabi that apply up to $25 million el mo murur sel school rababel daw. So hopefully by the end of this month, namasub lodero clear concept note more adaptation fund, and then we'll get submit a proposal by October. Adaptation board approve ringin masub start la school. Ikikita bebir immediate ngeswel gida sub edlo mesra October climate change. while kada continue build ra capacity gid most of the access sa loss and damage macro climate fund require gid nga nga data gid kasi ngaram kada kasi nga loss and damage gid. Of course kada mesra madat di sel dorura proposal mong require data sila kada itang bring gid justify ra. So we're working on those los cigarette partners help gid ra way gid Rurior.
Di last question ng kalikor ka Victor di follow up per se para bring it up to mara local level sel project ra food security team tel what taro seedling program ra Bureau of Agriculture el funded through ADB sing endre lara ngari ul teswela a ministry malibang governmental continue no nga ra tigal farmers man tigal other belaw mal el marulay kal si ultraun mora government.
May sel taro ADB funded taro project awal ender il adrak. So we're in the final stages of implementation. Sel taro mila gilen mo sel luldas ako sel gilen mo privately operated. So nga rin ora RFP loro rin project am latabidil solicit lo asin ngani individual adal ubang alaad ubang kumbalil sabihin mo operator facility. Kada matingil diri kalwasya okrulil legal dalom la require yeso madamla mulya subsidy ra tukara koyas. Malngani adal sorry lom ara koyas amla mo rin subsidized el koyas el doltra ra officer gidra BOR ang SR. Sel mo kasi kadom aranggal taro hopefully sel privatize sa sel facility ingegid al adal mo operate ingya mo aranggal taro ar adra sales mundial stop project segid agora sustainability plan lasing it has to be money making activity lelagang dal sa government continue subsidize ra program. Hindi ako dito government mali nga sulil government lo asing sirado mo ra 2021 budget ra ministry adimle 1.3 million kala ko mesra proposal budget kada na mo 2.5 million mong na increase sa budget el mera ministry mla mo to ka program sel sa implement. Edrigal di kutal te alle ko ay se mora midiamar adra buat pasing mulmu lersera Monday ya es el director Bureau of Agriculture amle start ang klela chodian ongli ramang saw gamle national consultant ra FAO es el national consultant ra FAO amle kloteme lo bongela Bureau of Agriculture mongame so isabel diakal pesa laka understanding ngira ron malclo understanding ngira ron so feeling the mail statel implementa tokol project maria project gida ma FAO tirikan lang mo at least 1.2 million dollars sa marura public private partnership agriculture project ra nekkeng rang SR seludo da blan approve ringi magidi nga final stages ra sayang ababier emla identify terul other assets magibuk tiragal di mingila process ra paperwork ito mo sub ilo mo ay mo nga mo share sa malka imo share sa babi legal share sa require giral nga rin malan madalom lesel dalom la help finance ra igal magulala livestock kanero sa livestock ada kadil statel earn money siya agora approach do messenir passing damla mo umgaro la kalela blue takati do umgaro la kalela damla mo gire do commercial commercial scale kada blue di ngar sel vasem subsistence mo sel approach do messenir kasi damla mo gire do commercialize diga commercialize sel dia kal tamlia abalwat ma dia kal tamlia logalak la magigida agora role gimo madul agora help rat agora capacity building ra raat masyobay ma logalak lang sulang
Ang malungil tutaw Daitorio kang Mar Ministers ma COS gora suatal gora dio kere Daitorio luase sel tial unified budget tal bled passer ngem la duro clean mlay sel balpin ngem ra last week tilog del girela government employees el momu ngara 72 hours effective ra December 1st, which was ang Monday. Mang dia ka kora taital nga ra sila budget el sabarir ar adara olbil lilsang al wasing sabaril el backpay our employees el mo 80 hours rather than till 72 hours.
Okay.
Retroactor tir al ubseng mga ratetele.
So, under a current rules ra budget, and the multiple vessel language. So it would have to be something that would be done later. Ulang marklo to trela the pasra budget on time. So the example or tell 72 hours, it would mean it was next week or Friday. Igitam la sel Thursday igitam la reach 72 sel Friday mna mo gidal di order dita. So umsia de kulo ase alaga the pasra budget by next Friday. Our sensei marowa won't be mudakalo do sel Friday. Sige dala betrom so del mo ora adimo clear. So that's why the mga sulal olbi no sil pasani kaya de la sendri me the community mora president la senate mas speaker lo say ida concern jirgid mutigid dem la reassure gid lo say to session aktu al sultung amabiliyat hopefully instead del regular selling pass ikada sana iraktu. Sige da that's the goal. Of course, hopefully ikada sana iraktu.
Sel language sel ngara al sel tial budget el girel la togora grants seng ngarngi ya legal al ubang constitutional requirement maul mat git maklil waise adang hukti policy ra olbil el mlosob sorry lolyat tial language el wase ay gel rogul grants abol require akangera olbila.
So technically, olbila kongi kada alta. All these past years ito kongi lo say kada apply esel dangay. Ikadol tao trol tira kaya lenggel adalo maski lenggel ama pase hindi mo intel to koy. I say now if the OIK had maybe another way of doing it, tiga ba girit ba say magiging important el project rin ba siya present mo siya aldulele mo siya grant el fund ay because that's the way the process works. Hindi ka blabo dong although the blala approve ya donor el may igit diri mo approve it doesn't make sense. Hindi leng giral di may kat implement ri lang yang ada timeline ri yang ada atalo urior yang ada all of these processes remote transit. So hindi ka lang ito karaw at naman ala daruri al time that's what we've been doing for the last 4 years.
Mang sabi wase presidential since kamlam nga adu era president ta senate mas speaker a house and promising alwaseng sabaril mo o mutal gut maklil mo ay ang aramong mang kautial wase hopefully klug and most of it session e pas ya sign.
No, tiyamal simple. Let's just go ang aramong kita ay luluk lol dolngas ulit tel bila saman lo brother berigani amara di beri kata understand der tigel senators el mal na insist tertia di ka doni tertiro ase kahale bere muludu drara da dawrore ikita da due the speaker information el mospe ata kan tinu loro agita and the reports are there's a quarterly report, there's an audit report. They can review them. So, tiyan la idea artilo aseta mo every grant that tira mo appropriate does not make sense. Hindi cosa di lera process e mo dakat sa implementary esel gira del hotel gari kini ase Nga, what's the benefit in more other belaw? Yan moru ring, ngarang gut muklin more other belaw, tiros pa ay galing so. Siya ba yung question that we have to ask? So, we already have a process. It's been working for the last 4 years. So let's continue.
Scheduled activities coming for the Christmas season.
Sulang yang wak naman tutan maradro uy. To be the Christmas schedule again. Yes, ito ko ram na a partnership again yang wak Banggela Ministry of Education. Ulan tribro kam lam yodol to the schedule lagi dir workout tagil ko ram gagarel details lang nganya exam week during between now and Christmas. Daitay kita ko rekel schedule lagi dir ko mamunta to lagi dale private schools mo hopefully by the end of el amaklo gi o sisipro gui di daitay ti kita ko raldas mong motoblo venue gi hotel venue gi da more Ermul Park ya ko traditionally kita mururi misal lagi rogul school guk ngara amawarir orior amira Ermul Park igel guk ngara ngabalda wa to mesep mong mortale vessel sige na ko po sa matpang cultural center se mal de kabla opening integral project celebrate mention na president se mal ko raw ngila alsel magalokol te se ragi bora ribbon cutting lem lek medal dartum ogi mel ging alam nar alsel dir kay kay se do mesing asel mok medal eteng wal dart adat mo alsel mong sige da mo selong rule venue esel do mes ay gel dates ng umura December 9 till Tuesday na next week. Adilong nilak announce sa school yet, lagi di mo finalize lagi del Banggela school. Di ngomura December 9 ang siya ko til lomul, el morning ira Ermul Park. Mo ko kawatay mesel ko Wednesday December 10 ang marangat pang. Ko December 11 ang mera Ermul. El mutur ko marangat pang sel Friday ra December 12. Mo ko skip on mo next week. El mo December 15 ma 16. Agi Monday ma Tuesday. Egegel mo sinal di high schools. Kada makor omura next week ora rogul elementary school. Hopefully albornya kora te ale kada dire incorporate rangal karang ayangal ma. Egel bebira school ayol daw. Sige to kora time schedule and you'll get a more kumagay schedule within the next couple days. So lang.
And just kind of following up to Minister Jenkins, so interim coming up, any new programs for the students? And so I know there's some, any new programs or anything for the students this interim coming season?
Obviously, yeah, we have, I'll just talk about one that's really going to be, the president mentioned the word transformational. This is going to be a transformational project at the high school level. For the first time, we are going to be offering advanced placement courses. We've already begun. Those 2 courses are underway right now. One is in AP Statistics, which is a math course, obviously, and the other is in AP English Language, which is a study of language presentation, reading, and all varieties of language. We're looking at the following year, 2 new courses that the AP is bringing up that fit exactly into what we were looking for our academies, for the juniors and seniors. One is a business administration focus on financial literacy courses. So when the students complete those courses, then the ideal would be based upon their examinations that they take at the end. They will be qualified for nationally recognized certification of financial literacy. And the other is computer cyber technology or cybersecurity, which are the second brand new courses, beginning implementation by the AP next year, with the first testing being in spring of 27. So it fits right into what we were looking at. It's a big, huge help for us in terms of academic and teacher preparation. We've already had teachers undergoing training with the AP program for the 2 courses that are in offering right now. So that's one huge one. Beyond that, we're continuing the emphasis on reading in the elementary levels, and we have had incredible success with those programs based on the students having a full-time academic course in reading from grades kindergarten through 12.
President, tell us a question nga kakora table involve. Abamis na budget ra aigal American 5 pretty much the last 10 years. Yung maral morbap. Abamis sa state budgets and basically in the last 10 years am nadabol. Abamis sa aigal budget ilang rawa aigal ministries hindi ka maral mo orbap. Abamis sa population niki den kukmal natrap. Tinakal domis ra klungel a workforce ra government based ra last il reporting namo below ra 2000 mang akbadinga saya ngaring isel process ra performance budget where ikal state may provide a report that till lobang kailangan budget requested. A question I was say kada klungel la budget ma klungel la population given al time ngaringi ako ra umsubol nam katmok malu ko do mesering il wasi lorar el almo in how efficient is it say for example lang number tel namasment terra ray maligorogin mamangami mang namo every weekend tilboran masters ring manamo access and the niftarak cost regal government operations road maintenance before and now it's not going to be there anymore mang adomisring ila say tel budget tamal morbab may gal budget state ngani akora using ila government tulomis sila siga how are they effectively implemented means legal although the mal benefit legal community maybe changes I mean ngara ko ra using you were saying del to ra performance budget ma lungelaw to tingila
Yeah, sulang kita I get increase in number of state basically multira karselo singa sa klelarala adang ok kita mdengelo sa state government tamle 425 minimum wage, I mean 350 and 425 $5 el adol tira kartian another 10% increase and mo 550 I say mungulto ri say the most real increase in number of state is to accommodate the more increase of the data the mal important point regalo say but what are they using the money for I think tila mal ngarelel olbira kalula in their oversight hearings, my process, and they should bring each state government in and ask them, lo say, ay ga ludaw, mga dospe, ngara mokte kanimang mo blagatak lamora drablo. You know, when I was chairman of Ways and Means a Senate, that's what I did. Ilang omra lo sa ududira ay ga ludaw dol dospe, ududira drablo, magklaw tutira lang ra hearing edme edbolsil lo ay sira drablu because kita tangar tiya do sa other state hindi ka dodingi hindi pastria tiya la other state mulbora a hearing and explain and mora olbina kalulaw which is everybody other below madreng sample of the healing instead tangar tiya assume say how maybe they're wasting the money but do we really know well the board through said right and process. So I think to me, siya mal, kasi man maliw darin der other olbira kalulal pa man girin mururi. So kada kayo nga because that's part of being accountable. Kada diri kan nadayel wase kita umesa numbers we also know wase ang executive branch we're facing the same issue. Nasa clear araladro mo klabran na morbab so we have to the salaries maklalo dos pe marala dengi maral all of those things also have gone up so tarimay budget ra kami tagiran malam morabel wal tirak kami de kalsi adal aldi alalak so abay close to trela we do have the funding the mas migaw do man siya dala afford rin and I think that was the close debate tial digam nomre budget mo I if we recall adra senata amle propose a cut ra budget in the end the time increase rin so good for example, one of the things that I saw, they decide that we sell 480 and more 600 and more are seniors. Malungin. Let's make sure that the help but let's make sure we use it rightly to help the people that are most in need. And I think that's what we've done. Part track increase the budget ريد أيجل بتوقع بس social programs and كده ملا أمور الhelp رارا. So, okay.
President takpora ang goramran me holiday season makpora di malak kertigal ibato ko loader ra government iya signer tial budget make sure wase powder lobentri ra leadership ra olbi lel wase make sure ito mongo butise adang which is easier tial refer back matugut makli adang tial okmong ral to ka signer ni and all toy tial budget e komi mo utiga tial to ra
They are the same. I get red line. Gira the referring ilmo ito lang alir.
ya hopefully ko tial lang mo
So, ngare higel already kadam lamru line ara before mbuto katal malara al time. For example, tiala algira minister. That's an example. Higel kado dimlo mga aluga kitala andi kadi giniering. So I'm not namuda kadru taldi approve higel di kitala ya uli ulo kadam gut mo. Tial da minister education higel, da minister of finance because tal malala. So let's not break it and then say we're going to fix it later. Let's do it right. So we have time. Yes. Maldi wan al togo mor olbira gululara el afternoon aklu and see pasring aksani aklu na omrek. Merklon na do sental Sunday you're going to get paid everything is good. We enjoy Christmas ela kada se bagarun.
Special Advisor Jenkins ang kamasada wase ko mo roll out ra curriculum financial literacy cyber security ngaya utas ra education mo roll out AI which is akra to ra AI.
Yeah, we're definitely studying that right now. That's an issue that has become under considerable study in the educational affairs, both benefits and problems. The other way, and we're looking at it, will be how to address it with the students. There are several plans. One would be beginning by teaching gaming projects with them. But again, we're looking for partners in this issue, and we've had good discussions this year with Ambassador Lee with Taiwan, and we hope to continue that with. We now have a sister school relationship, school in Japan, which is very much technologically savvy. So we're looking at trying to use electronics not only in the classroom, but electronics in the teaching structure, so that the teachers can be in different areas helping teach our students here and the students interacting in the same way.
Minister bora mal boto ka noris rat aigel tokora utumra video mang kampora di update tergi telwaseng wangar tial lom ara utumra video bora kom disperse although del morar our owners or oingrang it at sugo mang ngarim bliya ka blil el ngara kargaril although dang mora ngwangara tetele mora escrow account atang melmon melkomia ola until such time it kaiget sira kargaril al sumin sa ML gora shares
Dia kam sulang Jennifer meda Christmas sa mga sergidra oy self-care Gidam le aldadu lo ba president ma Marigela mlekan kluder tial aldadu lo asing el al December auto da ginel mera blur vela se ya dirka change se abai keluar mudurnya wasya kongres Marigela ma president Marigela kilingeringi el al time ya Marigela mga adu ora finance circuit el wasya polo duro crowd del May yang mo ang ara atletele la do receiver ngir bela mal bla takla al dadu igel contract del play the sign ni kita matirgel land owners ara ablura bililyo wasya sugo mang moring ya monday although da amora a escrow account tira kay get sa monday till whether and through mediation di el dadura dalong lir alubet tamora karakri esela bolmeret auto do nga sabe el release el mora del al time en dakal sabe el dimay ed entertainer tirigel adalo laba certificate at mil individual adal dakar adalom tortir tiriga mo maududir makotal maududir digel gabli matulungal kal kautok ay giril resolve ra amon dahil til dakal kondisyon na ringira. Idil sa amon dahil til blok tak na magsuma nga malay mga mabiktor ang nekaw mo day esabedal adado ewasik. Tiya gida bililak bililet medbingi wang aradarong let at ngeringi. It's another way to resolve it. Abay til lolo mo tak rin yung maklat kanya president tama idil ko involve ay galuroro asi walora lawang ilalda ito elakal marma benefit ra aklok pela kablilan tulungal ka egit pagisan mo kakawat selpo da kakawat ito ba yung talada mo benefit kita that's in no way advice mo rang idil ata ito parati o mesra tayo sa ilmu kape.
Eda Victoria ya dilas talgariga ngari enlisted ngara soldar ngari ngalgel belal me soldar na retire dito sele custom protection border ngari reveal malungi la really masuga 6 figures el di albatol talas about 7 ngalgel Palau tamlamer Palau unubigation maral mlanya baby team los of aml adu manganya kuk team le message tamlos tap para National Development Bank of Palau trial mala housing loan lengwal gora trirur tatokorali semlos of imwali sektir marguk ti los of ilot tabdia clear and city el ngarang clear ready malaralo nandi labora NDBP to dilulwasing di al saparin malalo leng di al Palau ma a resident sector di al ngar Palau matigay gidel medel ngara 7 el ngayaskal ata o kelwase. Is there any well sabedel bora order lobungela NDBP bolsa rin mo housing loan el ngaram angar arroy del lodurok la payment ogori in the future en el retire and sorry relocate and tulumda salwase because ang maldira kaman namo tarireng salwase US Embassy amle klolo siga apply tulumda swase makakarura blirit and then they can rent it out and it pays for itself but they're willing to pay it until such time ang moring tenant malwitar ang sorin merbelaw man sorin start del marura bliri raw era retire mang tulungit maktilur tilwa si ere makpora press conference mlamo couple of times aktio bese ngatial wal malot kia makpora ogel wase. Is there any way sa pedalodor lo ngala NDBP help pertigay ngal Palau el malungin law really mar soldad sa baril afford ng housing loan.
So, gira mal morat el question. Marama NDVP, adekal sabaril mistri alon tirgal ngalgel bela ngalgel blue bela. What's the number one reason? Do you think? No. Hindi ka udawdar NDVP. Nga song sa udawd. So a priority ra pala sira NDVP a first thing tamura other kira sila blue bela. Lugo mga amat tera udawd lo laba NDVP. And they have a problem. So what have we been trying to do? Yitera da turo obis ebol the tau turo se medo se yeru urte al NDVP ase rosis about. One, what do we talk about? Saudi loan. Ngargere al sits. Dirgar senate dong yuni. Ongero todo ase. We need a Palau savings bond. Ngara purpose sa Palau savings bond. Bolsa del Maigel Udo, the Bank of Guam, Bank of Hawaii, almost 400 million. I mean, I would recommend to them, no, sa kapora NDB, I mean, kapora Bank of Guam, Bank of Hawaii, mas kertin by law and lekor kami. Let's all about Udo. NDB has no money, but Bank of Hawaii and Bank of Guam is full of money. Ludo Udo the rebella, the sort of regulator, Alcela, Ablu rebella. So the problem is not so much NDVP, they also give out a lot. They don't have the resources. Giran mo do dir, itira asil increase a program and more and more and more programs. So a Saudi loan was one avenue. El Saudi dilu ase, tomo 15 million, if you want more, we can give you more. Hindi ka natin ambassador ase, hindi ka siguro finish 15, yung ambassador next month. Hindi ka naman nakaklutin sa Saudi, tira ka naman mo sa Saudi. And more, another Saudi. But that's where it needs to start. You have to start somewhere. Outside, this is an opportunity for them. Oy, our soldan maral mega el project el maral mori. So there's going to be a demand. So why not have them participate in artel belum? Maluil toy, we want to do it. But I'll just give you another example. I get coins. Remember, I get commemorative coins. Mlari a case for last 30 years. It's a ludo that dimnakal por omsangara NDVP eba irirur traikred. Na ombre ka case. Namot tutak rarav na hindi sel kombali amla decide mla kongian maskita $1 million in back pay. Direkal mo NDVP. And they will start paying all royalties and more NDVP going forward. It's already been a year. We have not got the $1 million and we're not collecting anything because I'm not decided to say, haladrutum subri. Akora, di elang, kung nasa kadalang masang budget, I'll give them a certain masang budget. I want to sign it. Consider mo focus sa igal bebe natukol diri mal. To trail girela abalur belaw. Because remember in the last year, and this would be sumaksari mo third bill, and what are they all on? Budget, supplemental, continuing, and this is budget again. Nothing else. So we need to focus around rest around kat bigilera olbira kalulang. Magkatay kasi.
Diame kultur garga make sure NDVP amo sabril grant loan le tadilur tilwa sendi al in mala loan le take of island.
Given mo understand the problem. If NDVP has more money, then and say next sell policy say now we can loan out more outside because we need more customers. If they don't have enough money to take care of ang arbelaw, as a policy and they'll increasing more outside you have to take care of ang arbelaw first. Okay? Is that fair?
Yeah, hopefully I'm sure to ranks
mo so katay kasi. The malso other head per tier, but remember, ang arbelaw adire ka line up. And detail gururtia, find more money long gegarabang. And that's what we've been doing. So the other thing that NDVP is doing is they're trying to get a deposit taking ability. So apply sa license tira FIC. Again, timna apply, timna kalak so they have to apply again. So they're going to apply again. Hopefully sa direct mo yun. Kaya direct encourage it trigan ngalagyan. Buy Palau savings bond, buy now the other NDVP, kira upload bela. That's one way you direct contribute and more upload bela. And then you can loan out. Okay? So it's We gotta work together. Yeah. So, Mari. The Maluil question.
Sel President Kamsada tele kal ay kagida BSL revenue sources sel ngani sel al kagida al karaba savings fund sendi kal already ngaya la al alara governmental apply ngi alu ngara ka pending el requirement el kidel morning mo sa el apply la.
No, that's been an ongoing process. Of course, Dr. Yoshino Mlamervelam now explain our process. So we're working with the Ministry of Finance at Ablura Shaval to help us finalize the process and get the software that we need to operate it. So it's in process. So once in more, hopefully, because that's something that we're working. So yeah, another way, and that was the goal.
Ngaringi sel la lepas alara Palau mo or top the condominium law I believe. Sel ang I guess ngaulunda sa set dati kang process and actually it became a law. Sel ngaringi kora ngani ako number sa blamwesel atal sorry namul taraw maluto mara kaya kita to sa condominiums. I don't know how you define the condominiums in Palau.
Well, first you got to build a building, or at least design and come up with a project condominium. Di ngari are investors sorry develop a condos. And one of the things that will mention here say, sel dirikan mura local, mar dirikan foreigners, and that's why ngari revision or propose the law more elite visa, you see? Sir lang ngar olbira ulula trying to help them more encourage our other develop a condo abroad.
El asal elite visa ngari elite visa ata lakalwidam na yan ula elite visa wasit sukum invest so much money abroad bela itong sigitan elite visa understanding ang dili kata digital residence ta naringisel babinir adra ulbili korgaw basi regulation na kalmat sara alla sing sikura mutay del maragay del kura at new development sa condominiums ngara kura aurora book allow say it and mutay it kwal PSL investment in this ways
yeah, that's so say propose the law mga ulbira kululaw
elite visa
ngara sila reading Senate, so they're working on it. Other Senate mesa urgency they're working on it. Sel questioner til girela tel digital residency. Anyway, I am now reviewing other la read, and yeah, we need to amend the regulation more much. So I think intent was maybe this would be an opportunity to other make care belal trial the motor tiro say digital nomads. I say rent tabla ngara. Unfortunately, there hasn't been really anybody available. Say, I mean, even though ngara regulation and allowing, then there are other loss faring. So I think more importantly, take the proposing visa. Siya flow to that's probably a better system. But the naman maltry role and cell amendment to my regulation is simple. We just have to rewrite the regulation, submit it, and then repeal it. Simply repeal it. Yeah. So I agree lang mga Senator Mario Girel sector. Okay, madam, di nga last 3 ko na dimensyon convention. Of course, it sa International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Maria fashion short tir it sa Ramayo. That is from visit. The regal so otherwise I say December 5th, which is Friday at 3 o'clock. Finally, there's an X-ray machine at Shaban airport. Amo Urio. Memoria ribbon cutting. Hopefully, our other actually clock clear, mo dakat saldi open. Sige da. And they told me na say, gelbe sam siri da amna mo AI capability mo help tira processing so. So, oh, and then one more, till December 9, at 10 o'clock, tira invite kami other media mo kora. Ngari set opening or set transition facility, rigidara amin hospital. Finally, namo staff them ready mo take care of 10 o'clock. Both of those are 10 o'clock. Halek sa tela Minister Tuno announce Christmas.
Sulang President sulang Jennifer Lomaklat misal Operation Christmas Drop bekeral loruni Amerikel momu ra December 7 ra 10 a.m. ang mora munes skojora munes osisul time December 7 ra munes and then morning 11:30 sing okay santala syabal mong December 7 ang ngaring ra munes ma dire kal morang ayang ra 12 p.m. December 10 ang mura Tobi Pulwana Masonsorol ra 12:45 mo 2:15 ang mura December 11 ang ngaring tablong ang morang ayaw ra 11:15 mabililyo at 12:15 Mungat maklamiw warat kuladaw mo ngir sel sko gira Santa Claus.
Hindi na aska le okay. Nam sula Mr. Tutul gida lastly bro tema del meringa saul and this was the mandar announce was an Excel press conference Muria tele del recognized employee of the year Galbekal ministry so we'll bring them here hopefully mla approve a budget and say the reward the time that was the delay but I hope the time and we can do that hindi ngaria tigir uksa the recognized tira service tir recognized tira la sil silentan job tir Maria Jeffrey Kian, ngara Info System Support, ngara Ministry of Finance. Maria Melissa Moses, ngara Mulgayo Elementary School. Maria Edward Koenig, ngara ARF. Maria Gordon Kell, ngara MPI, ngara Public Work. Maria Feverlin, ngira Mangyor. Ngara Behavioral Health, MHHS. Ma Sar Dani, Firm Kaur Lansion. She's a nurse. Maria Bembo Ben Tonio, Padre nurse. Happy birthday. Kumran sulang ara service ramin merida other belau. Adios on makaltanga termi ulam makaltanga terabek other belau. Abalu other ablur belau. Ma December 17. Uktabi mada aswas. Sulang.